The function will be the type int, integer, because we are returning a value. We have to find the mode of array. You can name function whatever you want. I'll name it mode of array, and we'll take as a parameter n. We'll take a maximum value integer max equal minus 999, and the other variables will be position, counter equals 0, and we'll declare the array inside function. That is another option. We'll print for the user to give elements of array with the dimension n that the user will give in the main function or in the main program. Now that we have the array field, we need two iterative structures or two for. One for will hold the index I, and the other for will hold the index j that will count how many times the first index or index I is in array, and will count it with a counter. So we'll have two fors, we can copy from here. The counter will be written here and equals 0 because we have to see the number of all numbers of I, because if I equal 5, the counter will search the array for number 5, and if it finds two values, the counter will be 2. And on the next loop we have I equals 6. The j again will search the array, and so on. We have I is lower than n minus 1, and on the second for we have j that will be I plus 1, the next element after I, and minus n. And we'll say if ai equal aj, we'll increase the counter by 1. If counter is higher than maximum, maximum will take the value of counter and position I, and will return array position. That was the function. Now on main, integer n will declare the dimension of array, and for the time we'll say 5. We'll declare a variable called mode, and we'll say mode equal function name n, and we'll just print the mode of array. At least we'll return 0, and we'll compile our code and see the result. We'll give some random values, and mode of array is 2. We are done.